Welcome to the world of TROTON, a leading business in the chemical industry since 1978. Our company manufactures a wide range top-quality products and provides superior services to meet the ever-changing needs of automotive, boat building, and industrial market segments. At TROTON, we pride ourselves on our four core values: accessibility, high quality, expertise, and safety. Our dedication to these values has allowed us to establish ourselves as trusted partner for businesses in over 70 countries worldwide. TROTON's commitment to accessibility means that we make it easy for our partners to do business with us, providing excellent support and being responsive to their needs. We strive for high quality in everything we do, from the products we manufacture to the services we offer. Being an expert in our field means that we are constantly researching and developing innovative solutions that can improve our customers' businesses. Safety is at the forefront of everything we do, ensuring the security of our employees and the partners we work with. One of the most important aspects of our business is social and environmental responsibility, which is more than just meeting legal requirements. It is also about investing in people, caring for the ecology, and building relationships with our surroundings. Thank you for choosing TROTON. We look forward to continuing to serve your needs for many years to come.